Failure is not caused by weakness, but by self-doubt. And when self-doubt enters the mind, it gives birth to indecision. We keep starting again and again, but never manage to finish what we begin. Today's story is about that silent enemy, the one that stops you just before success. There once lived a spider. She lived a simple life, but now she wanted comfort and security. She thought, if I weave a strong and beautiful web, insects will get trapped on their own and I won't have to worry about food every day. With full enthusiasm, she began weaving her web in a corner of the room. Only a few threads were connected when she noticed a cat sitting nearby. The cat started laughing at her. The spider felt angry. "Why are you laughing?" she asked. The cat replied, "How can I not laugh? Flies never come here. Who will ever get trapped in your web?" The spider froze. She looked at her incomplete web. Maybe the cat is right, she thought. Thanking the cat, she left the web unfinished. After some time, she noticed a window. There was light and open space. Hope rose within her. Maybe my hard work will succeed here. Once again, she started weaving her web. Suddenly, a bird flew in and mocked her. "Oh, spider, strong winds blow here. Your web won't survive, and you might fly away too." The spider stopped again. Fear filled her mind. What if all my effort goes to waste? Thinking this, she abandoned the web there as well. Now the spider was even more confused. She began to wonder, why can't I find the right place, or is something wrong with me? Just then she noticed an open cupboard door. It was quiet, no wind, no noise. Seeing it as her last ray of hope, she started weaving her web once more. After a short while, a crow came and sat nearby. Looking seriously at the web, he said, "This cupboard is useless. It will be sold in a few days. All your effort will turn to dust." Something broke inside the spider. Without saying a word, she decided it was better to leave. Starting again and again, and quitting again and again, had completely exhausted her. She no longer had the strength to weave a web. One thought kept repeating in her mind, "If only I had completed the web at the very first place." The tired spider lay helpless on the ground. Just then, an ant passed by. The spider asked her for help. The ant stopped and said, "I have been watching you for a long time. Every time you start your work, you leave it incomplete because of what others say. Those who treat every opinion as truth can never complete anything. The world will speak at every step, but walking forward is your responsibility." Saying this, the ant walked away. The spider remained there, having already accepted defeat. No web, no strength, only regret. The one who listens to every voice eventually loses their own. Starting is easy, but completing the work is true success. Remember, self-doubt and indecision are the enemies that leave your dreams unfinished. Those who do not overcome their fear can never complete their work or achieve success. Now the choice is yours, to stop or to move forward.